Hello, today I will make a video regarding the valve spring and valve stems and all the stuff when you assemble the cylinder head, when you reservice the cylinder head for a BMW M57. And yeah, this is how I did the work. First of all, you need to clean it with petrol first, and then some degreaser and brush, and then you need to take it to a power washing machine or something, the washing where you wash your car. You can go there and clean it. It has to be clean, and you can see the difference on the valve guides. On the top part is the intake, and on the downside, the black ones are the exhaust valve guides, and you see that they don't look too good, the exhaust ones. I need to replace the exhaust valve guides because they have a lot of wear. I will do a video with replacing the exhaust valve guides. Now I fitted only the intake valves and springs and valve stem seals and yeah, all the stuff, because on the intake side the valve guides were okay, but on the exhaust, no way. I need to replace them. On the corner with the yellow on the screen, you're gonna see how are they have to be fitted. This is how cylinder head for a BMW M57 looks like. Those are the valve guides that are intake side, on the intake side, and the other one also are the exhaust. Now we have the tools. This is the cheap stuff that I bought from Autodoc. It's online car part. And here we have the valves, the intake ones that are the cleanest, and the other ones are the exhaust valves. When you do this stuff, you need to clean really good the valve guides. I cleaned them with this brush, and I soaked it in the petrol, to clean it, because you don't want to have any kind of debris there. They have to be very clean, especially after you do lapping, and you have the video on the channel. They have to be clean, like really clean. If you have a small piece of sand or something, that is gonna make a lot of mess. And how you see on the intake side, the valve guides are pretty clean, good. They don't have play. And here are the valve stem seals. You're gonna see the difference now. That's horrible how it looks, the old one regarding the new one. And you're gonna have a lot of oil consumption and blow smoke, especially when you start the engine if you don't replace them. Another problem with this one is that I will show you. I will lower the temperature that the engine is working, and I'm gonna let them like 87 degrees or 90 degrees. I will lower the temperature around 70-75 degrees Celsius to keep the valve stem seals and the oil ring, the O-ring, and all the stuff in proper condition. The high temperature of the coolant, like 90 degrees, is not okay in my opinion. That's why you're gonna have a lot of oil leaks. That's why all the valve stem seals and O-rings and all the rubber on the engine and gaskets are gonna fail in probably 2 years. Now you have to put some engine oil on the valve, because when you fit it, first of all, yeah, you need to clean it. You have the video on the channel. You need to clean it really good, and then probably you need to do some valve lappings, because in order to seal properly. But when you fit it now for the last time, you need to put some oil, clean engine oil. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty clean. And now you need this sleeve. Without this one, you might damage the. But usually, when you buy the valve stem seals, they're gonna give you 2 or 3 sleeves in the pack. They are cheap. It's always that. It's better to use them because you might damage the valve stem seal when you insert it on the valve. It's the safe way. And they like I said, they give you in the pack. You don't have to buy them separate. You can buy them separately if you want, but they're gonna put them in the pack. I use valve stem seals from L-Ring. You can use whatever you want. Victor Rines, I don't know, Corteco, all kind of company. They have good stuff now. It's not like I just took them from L-Ring. It's not. I don't have a problem with the others. Now you can use this plier. It's a special plier when you take them out. But for the video, I use this plier. Usually, I use the hands to insert them. It's not something so difficult. But for the video, I use that one. Now you're gonna need a 16mm socket. They fit perfectly to push the valve stem up to the cylinder. Now you take the valve sleeve off. Be careful not to damage it because it's pretty sensitive when you take it off. And now the spring. I always put oil on the springs because on each part that I fit it now, I use engine oil because I probably this cylinder head is gonna wait like almost 1 year, maybe less, until I'm gonna fit it back to the until I'm gonna swap the engine that I have now on my E53, and this one is gonna be a pretty good engine. The only problem that I have with this cylinder head is that one glow plug, I wasn't able to take it out. I was struggle for 1 day and I wasn't able. So 5 glow plugs, brand new, is gonna be okay. But the I think cylinder 4, it's 4, yeah, cylinder 4. I think so. I wasn't able. Now this tool is very cheap if you wanna use it with a spring compressor for the valves. It's very cheap from Autodoc. You can find. I think I paid like 20 euro or something. It's pretty good. You can use on different type of valves, and yeah, it's helpful. Here on this side, you need to keep it on the valve. Don't keep it on the cylinder head. Now we basically compress the spring with the cup, and then you need to fit 2 cotter. I think they are called. I don't know in English. I'm not. I didn't did English in school at all. So this is the right way to feed them. You can have a wrong way, so you need to be very careful how you feed them, how you mount them, how you put them on the valve, because if you put the wrong way, that's a big problem. If you watch in the picture on the yellow side, on the right hand side of the screen, you're gonna see the right way to put them. They are not equal. Those valves cutters are cutter. I don't know how you pronounce them. They are not equally made. So both of them, they are equal, but one side is thinner, the other side, the top one is thick. I don't know exactly. One is bigger, one is smaller. This is a different angle. I try to film in a different angle, so to let you know that how is the procedure. You put the valve, then you use the 16mm socket. You don't use a big hammer, use just a little, to sit it properly on the cylinder head. Use the valve sleeve as well when you put the valve stem seal, because you don't want damage. And of course use oil, plenty of engine oil when you fit them. I use a set of pliers, and with a screwdriver I was holding the valve stem seal just in case I didn't want to go back with the And now we have the spring that has to be oiled. I put oil all the time. The spring cap, and now the valve cutters. Here on the right hand side of the screen, you're gonna see the right way and the wrong way. On you're gonna see, probably you're gonna be able to understand. I don't know if on the phone you're gonna be able to understand, but on the big screen you're gonna see better the difference between the good way and the wrong way to feed them. That's why I put the picture there on the right hand side of the screen. Now, this is the procedure. It's not difficult, but you have to do it, especially after 200, 300, 400,000 kilometers. And then you smash it just once with a hammer, just to be sure that it's okay. Thank you, and I will bring some more videos later on. Thank you.